ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Look at him just doing animal flow, is tired. Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to the vlog. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳಬಾಗ್ಲು ದೋಸೆ ಇದೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರ್, ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ಲು? ಮುಳಬಾಗ್ಲು ದೋಸೆನಾ? ಅದು ಎರಡು ಹೇಳ, ಎರಡು ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದಿದೆ ದೋಸೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಇದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸಾಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎರಡು ಥರ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ, ಇದೊಂದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ. ಗೈಸ್, ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್. You guys can come and try it. Taste is very nice. Initially we not like it, but we really enjoy it. We finished one Mulbaglu masala. Now we have ordered one onion. We'll see how that is. ಇದು ರೈಸ್ ದೋಸೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ರೈಸ್ ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ಕೊಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪಲಾವ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ದೋಸೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನಿಯನ್ ದೋಸೆ. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪುಡಿ ದೋಸೆ ಇದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ನೈಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓಕೆ. ಓವರಾಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಪುಡಿ ದೋಸೆ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಯುವರ್ ದೋಸೆ.
Have your lunch too?
Did you have your lunch?
Yes, did you have your lunch?
Did you?
No.
Wait. Did you have?
What?
Look. See this. This.
Only one ice cream?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. You like ice cream more or chocolate more, Laddu?
Yeah.
You like ice cream more or chocolate more?
What do you like?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Nice and move, man. Hey guys, so I got another bag, blue bag. Again, Wildcraft. Both my bags are Wildcraft. I never had any suitcases. I always used to go for treks and all that. So I have a big, good 10,000, 12,000 worth trekking bag. But these bags I got because I'm traveling abroad. I never thought I'll travel abroad. But then now it's happening. I didn't have any suitcase. My mom is taking 3 suitcases to Singapore. So I thought I'll need at least 2. So as one is a big one, this is a smaller one. Now I'll go get a good haircut done finally for my Spain travel, and also I have to attend a function tomorrow. So I will have one good haircut and a trim, and then we'll be good to go. Because I record so much, right? My phone doesn't have charge at all. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ. I have a video editor now, so my work has become so much lesser, so much easier because I'm doing 100 things. One job I've delegated and it's making me so happy. Wow, and she's doing such a good job, man. Such a good job. So this is how my hairstyle looks. I hope it looks good. Even the beard trim, a different look for Spain. I think once I go to Spain, now I'm thinking I will grow my hair. It's been such a long time. After college, I think I've never grown. So again, I'm going back to college. I'm thinking I'll grow my hair long. For 2 years, I will grow. Hopefully, I don't know. We'll see. It's just a thought which I have. Don't keep asking me, bro, you told you will grow long hair. What the fuck? Crazy. ಎಡಿಗುರೇರ ತರ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಸು, ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿಸು ಗಾಡಿನ ಜಿಂಜಿಕ್ಕಿ. ಧನೇಕ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಧನೇಕ್. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ವಾವ್, ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಕಾರ್. ಇದು ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸಾಂಗು. Laddu, you want to sit? You want to sit on the car? Wow, Crazy.